Looking to install a new operating system or program that requires booting from a USB, we are going to make a bootable USB from an ISO file. I'm downloading Pop! OS, a Linux distro from System 76. This will work with other ISO files such as Windows 10 or 11 operating systems when downloaded from the Microsoft website. So now we've got our file downloaded, we need to download a program like Balena Etcher or UNet booting. The link will be in the description below. Today I'm using Balena Etcher. Once installed, insert a USB stick that you'd like to use and open the Etcher. Note that you want to use either a blank USB or one you don't mind being erased, as it will be formatted when the ISO is being written. With Balena opened, we'll select the ISO we want to use. For this, we'll select Flash from File and navigate to where our ISO file is. Next, we'll select the USB stick. Finally, we hit Flash and wait for the Etcher to finish. While it's writing, I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subs by Christmas. So if this is helping you out, help me out with a click on that sub button. Now that the USB has been written, it's time to change over to a PC or laptop in my case. Insert the USB, then boot up the system. As it loads, you want to go into your BIOS or boot menu. Refer to your motherboard manual for which button to press on startup. You'll need to make the USB the first item on your boot menu, or it will load into your operating system ignoring the USB. I have gone into my BIOS and I'm going to change the boot order to make the USB the priority. If you're doing it like me, remember to remove your USB when you've installed the media, or you'll keep booting into it. Exit your BIOS or boot menu and you'll load up into your USB media. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.